Why building a mentoring business is so important now. You've crossed the threshold of your next 50 and you're heading towards 60 years young. What does your life look like now? Are you feeding your soul, walking in your souls as you experience the world unfolding before you? In either case, I'm sure questions about what's next are bubbling to the surface. Some of those thoughts are more like a Yellowstone geyser. Questions like, how do I want to live in the years ahead? With your thoughts popping up like billboards on the sides of the road, you've got to figure out how far you're going, at what speed, with what destination experiences you want to check off your to-be list. What places have you seen on the National Geographic Travel Channel that entice you to move from the couch to the place? It's all about the real experience. How can you make a difference for the world? You see all the young people, including your grandchildren, doing what they can to make the world a better place. How can you be in the full expression of yourself as your family and friends witness the love you have to share? What does it take to create a full-time or part-time business to make money to support your lifestyle and to fund your Love To projects? Are you in your mid-50s looking at 60, hoping 60 will be your new 50? Well, remember, hope is not the most effective plan to get somewhere. However, it's a great travel companion. Instead, you've got to get yourself organized. Reflect on what you want to improve, focus, and strengthen. And then reflect on your life to date. From your reflections, identify what you have not lived and loved, what song is still in your heart, what steps have you not taken, what stories have you not lived and shared. Or decide how to share what you have lived and loved. With this reflection, realize the importance of commitment. To make it happen rests with you. Because if you don't pay attention to what is unfolding before you, as you move towards crossing your 60s threshold, you might experience life as an accelerated story into your 70s that does not match your dreams and desires. Are you taking charge? Are you going to determine the quality of your experiences? Many of my colleagues are in their 60s and 70s, writing, publishing, creating courses, speaking from the stage based on their lived experience. I'm there with them, 66 years young. Each one of them, including me, would say, what a superlicious life we're experiencing. A few have said retirement is for the cows, not me. And one said, move over. We have pastures to explore, fences to jump, ponds to swim in, nights under the stars with s'mores galore. Let me ask you, of the options before you, do you want to build a part-time, full-time business where you get paid to share what you know and do already? Are you up for a business-related challenge to learn something new, to share it with the world, your community, family, and friends? With yes, join us at the Wealthy Business Curiosity Table. Register for the Business Options Generator for your next 50 webinar. The day and time of the webinar are listed around below this video. And yes, it's a Saturday because I want you to attend relaxed with coffee, tea, juice, water in hand as you listen to the business options that are available to you. The options cover many possibilities suggested by the Wealthy framework. Let me share a story here. It's a bridge that I think will become obvious. From my 25 years as a wilderness remote first aid instructor, one of the key concepts practices I kept sharing with the workshop participants centered on the importance of having a preparation approach and a prevention mindset before stepping into the outer doors. Because who really wants to do first aid, especially in a wilderness remote setting? Similarly, you're on the threshold of 60. As you approach this threshold, it's essential for you to have a preparation approach and a prevention mindset so you can live your extraordinary life based on a combination of wealthy factors unique to you. Again, join me at the option generator for your next 50 webinar. Day and time is below or around this video. The sign-up details are identified below, and or you can find them in the show more description around the video. The most current upcoming webinar is listed here, so you can keep sharing this link with others. Also see the social media share buttons on this page. When you share this link with others, like friends, family, work colleagues, recreation buddies, you can watch the webinar together as you learn and take action together. Also, I ask that you subscribe, comment, like, share this video, and ring the bell if you're on YouTube to receive notifications when new videos are added. On a personal note, I'm building several businesses I can leverage in the years ahead. I'm leaving a legacy digital footprint to fund my just causes, one of which focuses on grandparents and trees as mentors to the grandchildren. I'll share that story on the webinar. I would also enjoy helping you build and grow a mentoring-based business through which to get paid for what you know and do. It's one of my strengths, and my colleagues are ready to assist you. There is a mentoring marketplace out there. There are many who are searching for knowledge and skills, that is, to tap into your lived experience. Oh yes, and here's a good one. Mentoring is a much easier way to build your business than coaching. On the webinar, you'll learn about their connection, competition, and collaboration. Let's leverage what you already know and do and get paid to live the life you decide for you and your family. Register now. Onward.